right, guys, on this right here video, guys, the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing roughs are being done. So I usually start off with my plumber, let him do his thing, because it's kind of, his stuff got to go where it got to go. You can't make up for things now. The next guy usually like to come in, I really have a game plan figured out. It's going to be my mechanical guy. We're going to come in through the basement with his stuff, with his duct work. That's the guy I like to come in next. And then typically my electrician comes in after everybody's done. I'd like to get those two guys at least out of there, because I don't want some of them guys to start cutting wires and stuff, and they do that, guys. So, but on this right here, I don't like the house wrap, man. We gotta take that stuff. Number one, I had to go get another. I like for my house wrap to be uniform, and it needs to perform, but it needs to be covering all the. It needs to cover all the OSB. That's number one, and it needs to, the seams needs to be taped. We got about 2 or 3 weeks left before we need to do that. We'll be putting the siding up in maybe the next 2 or 3 weeks. So that's one thing. And then also I got a window. I had to figure this thing out, guys. We got a 3030 window, which is 3 feet by 3 feet. And we got to have egress in that basement. So we have to have a casement window. So what I do is I do a remodel. I go ahead and put the siding up, but then I do a remodel window. So by the time the window come in, we should be finishing up with the house. Guys, if you guys like what you see in here, you guys should join the members channel, where you're actually able to see a house from the beginning all the way. Well, we're almost about 70% done with that house. So you can see it from the beginning all the way from digging the foundation and knocking the trees down all the way until now we're getting ready to install trim tomorrow. So if you guys like things like that, and you guys are aspiring to be builders, and you want to kind of see what builders go through, and some of the things I actually talk about different things that we had to go through each phase, that will probably be a channel for you. Once again, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for joining. You guys have a good one. All right, guys. One thing I don't like the way this house wrap looks. See, all that's got to be fixed before we put the siding on here. You got this, that needs to be fixed. We can get away with that. At least they did it right, but I just don't like this right here. The seam tape needs to be put there. We're probably about 3 weeks from putting the siding on, because I got a window on the back. I got a casement window that I'm gonna have to get to meet egress. So that window right there, that needs to be a 3030. Which, if it's casement, it'll give us, there's always something, but that'll give us our egress. So you got 3 times 3 is 6. You got to have 5.7 square feet of egress in order to get out. So that's going to take care of that. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and order that. It's a couple different things we had to do on the inside. This door had to be all shifted over, so we got that together. Guys, this right here, so this is the kitchen area right here. So this right here had to be a tempered window, because this is a slip area. You got the kitchen here. This right here window needs to be tempered, just in case somebody slip and fall and hit this window to shatter. Had to take that guy out. So if anybody need a window, man, y'all let me know. That's a 3060, a 3050, I think. Yeah, 3050. Plumbers are doing their thing, so we're gonna have a shower unit that's gonna go around. That shower unit, we got one over there. It's gonna go around. So we got a frame. This right here, little wall, got to be framed out. Yeah. So we need to frame a little wall right there. So inspections are gonna be set up for Monday. So I got to put that on. We got one over there too. It's down in the basement here, guys. Homeowners decided they want to go ahead and finish all this out, so I got to work up something. I've already kind of taken care of most of it. We got to have an area where we can attach the sheetrock too. That wall needs to be done too, so we can take what's left over, put it on that wall. I think we already got this guy done. All the doors and everything on. Yes, sir.
I have a question. For siding on this bridge.
Siding.
Siding?
Siding.
And then up to?
Yeah, siding. Yeah, vinyl siding.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, that way he know how far to put the hose bibs. Hose bibs? Oh, I guess. Well, I think you already put my. Yeah, he know how far. He know how far those hose bibs need to go. I'm gonna put this. I'm trying to figure out a way to put this dog on. It's like I don't know why they put this on here too, man. Just gonna saw this off and put that right up here. I'm gonna just saw that off right there. Put that on there. But this is what we got, guys. It's coming together, man. We are, got the backfill guy. I'm gonna bring maybe 2 more loads of gravel in. We can just put it in that hole right there. That makes the water drain a whole lot better to the drain tile. So I'll do that and we'll keep this thing moving. All right, guys, you guys have